Hey guys, Brooke from Homeschool Resource Co. here, and today we are here talking about categories. We are going to talk about how to choose the correct categories for your product, why it's so important to choose the correct categories, and how you exactly do that in the vendor dashboard. We are here in a test vendor dashboard, and we are going to look at the categories for a product. So the first thing that you should know is that our website is filtered and sorted based on the categories that you choose for your product and the attributes that you list for your product. Right now, we're going to talk specifically about categories. So our categories are hierarchical. That means that we have a main category and then a subcategory and sometimes even a subcategory. As our website and our Homeschool Resource Co. continues to grow, you may see new categories added. So it's also always important that you choose categories for your product. So let's talk about how to choose, or the category structure, and then we'll talk about how to choose that. So we know that it's very important for you to add the correct categories, but how do you know what correct categories there are? So the first thing that you should know is your product should always be in all resources. So we're going to click this. That ensures that if someone filters for all resources, your product is going to show up. So the next thing is you're going to come in and say you want to do say we're doing a Bible study and it is in Charlotte Mason style and it is for elementary kids. So we've already chosen all resources. The next thing we're going to say is, okay, this is a Bible resource. Bible is our first category, and we're going to hit done. So now we're in all resources in Bible. Then we're going to go back to Bible and choose exactly where this fits in. Is it a character building project? Is it apologetics? Is it just a general Bible study? So we're going to choose one of these and hit done. So now that you see we're in all resources, Bible again for Bible studies. And then next you're going to come down and say, okay, I said this was for elementary kids. So we're going to put that in. And then you can go through these and see where else your product may fit in here. Say if it's for family style, then you may want to choose all of these grade levels. You can even choose high school here. So you'll want to choose different categories for your products based on what is here for you. So then you can also come through and say, okay, well, this is a seasonal and holiday product. Perhaps it is for Christmas. So we're going to select seasonal and holiday, hit done. And then we're going to say, okay, come back to seasonal and holiday. It fits in winter, done. And then we're going to come back to seasonal and holiday again, winter, and we're going to say this is a Christmas product. So now you see that we have the full structure here for you. Your product is now going to show up under all of these categories. Now it's very important that you ensure that if it is in a subcategory, for example, Bible studies, it also shows up in the main category. This ensures that when someone filters, say they're looking for a Christmas study, you're going to show up under Christmas products. You're also going to show up under winter products. You're also going to show up under seasonal and holiday products. So make sure when you're choosing a category, you are only choosing the category it fits. Another thing that I wanted to mention is this online and virtual category. This category is only for memberships, courses, classes that are hosted online. Virtual does not count for a downloadable PDF product. If it is something that they have to print, it is not an online or a virtual product. So please only choose this option here. And when you're doing your products here, you'll see virtual products are intangible and aren't shipped. They are also classes and products. So you can choose downloadable. That's going to give them the file, but only choose virtual if it's something that they can access online from their computer. If it is a fillable PDF, then you can say it's a virtual product. But if it is not, then your product does not fit in that category. You can also see down here in attributes that we have product format and we have digital download, course and class, app and software, physical product. You will see that you should only choose digital download and not anything else. There's no virtual here because we're listing out the type of product that it is. So that is how and why, and an explanation on how to use the categories to make sure that your product shows up in the right places.